Okay, so what I did was I feeded all the commands here from the config into this dictionary. Yeah, we can test this. So this was save, this is load. Okay, nice. It prints here all the values, and I think, and it saved this as a string to this tag here on the scene. So I think I rename those buttons here, and this was save. So I just call this AVP save. And this one here, ADV load. Okay, looks good. Okay, what we want to do now is we want to load those settings. So this means we want to do this for loop again, but instead to saving these values to a list, we want to save this to the first values of every key in the dictionary. So I just copy this here. Okay, for X in VP dig point keys. So we get rid of the list here. And then I want to assign this value that we get from the command to every first value of every key here. So VP dig brackets. Oops. X brackets. 0. Equals string this here. Okay, let's print this. Okay, we have this actually here. X out VP dig, and this should print the key, the value, and none. Okay, let's try this. Okay, this looks good. The next thing is actually we want to check if the scene has its tag here. So if scene has tag MDVT, we do this loop here, and then we want to get the string here. So to get the string, scene point read tag round brackets, and we just copy over this string here. And this is a string separated by commas. So we want to convert this to a list. And we can say list equals let's put this in round bracket, point split round brackets double quotes, and separate this by a comma. Okay, print this. Okay, this looks good. Let's try this in a for loop. For X in list print Okay, easy. And this should print every element of the list. So we should see here every element. Okay, this looks nice. Okay, cool. Now we need to assign every value of the list to the correct key here, the dictionary. And we can enumerate over this to get the index of every key. So for index, comma, x in VP dict point keys, print index, comma, x. So this means it should print 0, 1, blah, 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 and on the side the key. Beauty. Too many values to unpack. Expected to. Okie dokie. Yeah, actually we have to enumerate over this. Okie dokie. On brackets. This should work, I think. Yeah. Index 0, view blah blah blah. Index 31, blah 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 blah. Okay. This means we can now assign the correct value from the list to the correct value in the dictionary. So this just means that you take this one here, VP dict x0, and change this to VP dict x1. So 1 for the second value here. Equals list, and we pass the index into this index, and then we print the dictionary, or we loop over this. Easy to read. For x in VP point keys, print x. Okay, easy. So this should print the dictionary step by step with the correct key and the two different values if they differ. Yeah, let's try this. I only printed the keys, right? Blah blah blah. Okay, print x 0. Try this. V. Why is there a V? Oh, dictionaries are annoying. We have to print the dictionary actually, and not the X. Okay, print VP dict X. Okay. Nice. So this is cool. This is nice. So this works. What we now want to do is we just at first I think we just load those here. So I think we can also print only the second value. Yep. Basically, we want to check if they're different. If VP dict x 0 unequal VP dict no, 1. We check if this works. Print. Equal 4. So nothing should happen here. Let's change this, and we should see an unequal. Correct. Correct. Nice. This works. Okay, cool. If VP dict blah 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 is unequal to the second value, we do lx point eval single quotes. We need two values here, the key and the second value. So in curly brackets, close. Second curly bracket, point, format, and we want to pass the key, so x, and VP dict 1 into this. Okay, cool. And we don't need to print all this stuff here anymore. Actually, we can print what we changed, comma, X. Do we get the name here? I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. We'll see. Okay, cool. This works. This is pretty nice. So good. Beauty. Okay. Let's test this a bit more. And yeah, this looks fine. Okay, let's save this default thing here. I always have a default environment, so save this. Cool. If I now change this back to this and this and this and this, what else? This is do something here. Yeah, the ambient color. We ignored this in this first prototype, and just load this. And cool. This works. I think this is decent for an hour. So of course it needs a bit of cleanup. Yeah. Okay, next video. We want to wrap this into command, a lot more cleaner, a bit more cooler. But basically, yeah, this works totally fine. We can try this. Let's change this here to something. We try if this works when we save the scene. Save test 1 and another one. Whatever. Okay. And we save this here. Cool. Now we try this here. That's easy to see. Cool. This is saved. Save this too. Let's close this one here and take a look what's happening. Okay. Save test 1 and reload this. Looks good. And save test 2. Load this. Looks good. Yeah, I think this is decent for, I think it doesn't even take an hour to do or something like this. It's pretty cool. So, of course, it's still manual stuff here, but it's actually a working thing that doesn't make any problems. Okay, good. Yeah, next video, we want to wrap this into a command and maybe I share the kit with you for free on Gumroad or something like this so that you can play with this. Ciao.